2 to the power of a equals square root of 64 and b over a equals 3. Evaluate a squared plus b squared. So let's see how we are going to solve this question. It's so simple. Follow through. So 2 to the power of a equals square root of 64. So let's start from here. So 2 to the power of a equals square root of 64 is 8. And then 8 can be expressed as 2 to the power of 3. So we have 2 to the power of a equals 2 to the power of 3. Now, the base are the same. We equate the powers. So we have a is equals to 3. And that's the value of a. So for b, how are we going to get the value of b? So from there, we have b over a equals 3. So let's simplify this to get the value of b. So this can be written as over 1. So we cross multiply from here. So b equals 3 times a. So b is equals to, so we have the value of a to be 3. So that's 3 times 3. 3 times 3, that's 9. So value of b is 9. So now let's evaluate a squared plus b squared. A squared, so it's going to be 3 squared plus, then b squared, that will be 9 squared. A squared, so that's 3 squared is going to give us 9 plus, so 9 squared, that's 81. So 9 plus 81, and that will give us 90. And that is the solution to this question. So, so simple. So like, share, and follow for more. See you in the next video.